Utie Oha Extra Ponkno Needs FM.
Jankwa amano so na yene eye Dr. Steve Mantiyaw oye chairman edema eye Public Interest and Accountability Committee ye twanitia efre ne piak eye abedekowoi ena mra ahye wo se ye famu sika no wo hwe se wo ye bejusu de yie ne ahwe so yie ede ama omen na ebia so nchirima so yene eye doc eni nkomai doc ye mo ache
so afa kwenye sikia mujuma ya kwoni mutiefo na
yeduma efo ne etiefo eda wase ena no pay mpose waje efe so na ye babidi nkomodi abo oman Ghana
ni na ka oman na som no ho
na doga babe to dwa se ye famwo be ye mfie dunie yetimi anya $5 billion $5 billion no ye hu ade kro oman ye de aye ade
amini no kre if Ghana the started say year 2010 again February no okate it's about year 3 pound to $5 billion now so ye be Ghana for everything ehunu sika do ya ye kan wata mi kasi e se tie no ma me fa ye pa so ho katra timo ho kotoka na tre na udu ha ai se de wudu abrochire ni ya de sika ano som $350 million and it's here that $5 billion ye kan wata mi bit me si eno mako du ama ye senya ikani dikwa beka bet 1.5 billion bet hechire the same na okase Kotoka International Airport na train no the Bosnia NEC ametie nti ubi sase ye fango tikano e die poten le maya moment na se na akoba ne se abanya o tija so sabre yes o de fango tikani bi ebe ye free ticket nti no e ka impact de dia branya e bia nkwala e ko school sabre ye free ticket ye betimi de enta se fango no adaroma na nkwala ya ko school nti no ye impact de ni bi so uye no free hot ya ni ede so betimi ni bi poten de won tesi se fango sika dia ya ma ye bi
na ade nti na kwakoba ne sa ade ya hye ho mra a kire kwan ya ese ye fa so na ye yusu ye sika yi iti ade nti na yetimi nya sika a ebetimi asi kotoka eye terminal 3 eye ewiem gina bia foforo kra yesi kama yi ebetimi asi be yedu na yetimi nya sika wo mamu ni ehu ade kra ye de aye
minya enu dina kwan ya ye fa so de pango sika ni edidwuma wo ye memu ha na saa na ye no wo gold sector omen to gold in pure ha na enu chire no ye bedane oman ya ehia ye bubro ye treaty ye pango sika no as income for consumption say ye din yenum na wonye sika na so din wonum nso a saa na beba no obo wonte mpie bebrechi no unhu die sika wonya ye no wodi aye nti wonye sika wodi ye japade saa nso na ye papa nom ananse eja ye nyina ye adwuma da tia semti no ye japade na uwa ya ka se wo so ye uja ye ni na te ye be ya ni se fan wo sika ni di ye nu mu dia ene se ya na beba na menka Ghana for se ebra ye nya independent sika kakra kwa nkuma beto ye ne Bosnia obobo ye ne ade ka ho ne ade no odimi di ye nyeme bi ye ne ame no ka se ntirima ya meto no kura no yetimi di ye nsa ekire se we port na kwa nkuma na breso oyeye ebi ye Tema Township ebi akoso modam ebi ye Tema Port ene bobo bebre ye mo ye nyina ene ya me no ka se ye da ho enya ho mpaso nke ye susu ye mu no se omai Ghana nyame hira ye me nya pamwa na nka sika no ye de ye nyoma enye ye nko ne benya ho mpaso dem mum no intini ma beba nyina beba nya ho mpaso nti hwa ye Petroleum Revenue Management Act no nti say no mu no o say at least 70% of the petroleum revenue no ye public investment expenditure ye capital projects na de be mo man no etumpon ebie nyuma ne ade nyina na ye wuru ne se ye na sika no ye ta eto keten mpempi project sika no ekwakoye no so na senka kre bi pe entimi ye enkotitire dubo na project na nwen ne se na sika ye di ahye project ni mu no ehun ntimi mampaso ma timemofo okoma mpontin a market bi wo ta ye di fango sika kakre bi ko shemu entimi nwi entimi anya hwe ente konkon ho tell the fan good can a share project no and 1 month for so ma yina tanso na bokon so project wo ya see the fan good can e ye obokona project no sepa me eni ho just say wo huru disika no so afa and so ka ho bi na no ye me say ne ye Ministry of Finance go so na ye di nta wo so 2017 a fan good can ye twama aban so pa mo man no ho bra ye better 700 million afinu ko ewie ye no na aban ye use e move 300 million pe it's 403 million. Abayan to me, so Tikano was his what you who be the Tikanapa. Abayan say, Tikan is a sort of debate parliament. Now, on your parliamentary approval, as I would not spend Tikano. 2017, I told making you 2018, Adena map approval. 2019, mid-year budget review, 2019 budget into the meetings are bad. But Mapua. Mid-year budget, ya kwenye dia, beti medisika no aba parliament, ya approval, ye di juma, ombaba mpaso magana po. Nti akwanya ye nam so edi toto sikatem no na enkoyie. E guso aye ka 403 million you want them ya no. Asa go pie mu 2018, another 255 million aye oyo sika ye twama aban no je kaye. And so you who the abai
and no sika say na mutwa de ma ban 2018 de na ka 255 million
2018 na ye projected na ye 1.5 billion Ghana cedis 1.5 billion Ghana cedis according to abai budget apunu ko ewie no when you use scanning nyina ekechire be ye 255 million and also the back 403 free 2017 mo a it's sika ye wa yet you see a pan wutikano over 650 million Ghana cedis. Now, who Casada wa na home person center that one now Untu your money jata.
Na dog iti pan ben so ne befa may redeem a report ni bia even mo kasa se mo ped ye data bi e de afia so ye bi te se finance ministry ya ye ka ho asem ya aya na data ne mantem. Even as at the time, I'm more prepared some of more reports ni bino. Nasa brand crana data no mine no market can boom. Na mode and no maba betu jana Ghana for ye hu kwanya ye faso ese ye fam musika no. E de na ya kwansi de.
Kwansi de ni ye mrano. Mrano e shisha na me say baby to sing kakra. Because mrano and should prescribe sanction for a non-responsiveness of state institutions to PIAC's request for data. The year na mrani share said the year request for data not a ma asotwe say ye dey ma onya kora na na said yes or the data ne be ma yen ye to so ba kono no ye to to me no e say gamran so share sanctions for various infractions of the law say dia wa budget say me the fan go tika e koye project we na wan pan kwan koye e say onya asotwe I mean if you are not to say, just blatant disregard for the law. Say, dear, Mrani say, oh, to tell you, 70% and capital expenditure. Every year budget, no, now only 49% and the capital expenditure. The year no may year, what say, well, the cannot do one now for year, 3 year teacher. Now, we vote the Deputy Minister for Finance, Ra, do Wahine. Now, or say parliament, a parliament plans to work Piaco for your report, no so no. Now, or say, or to parliament, Nanke Beya, ye redefine public investment expenditure, capital projects, not a free SHS, Nankamo. It's an social now, can be so free SHS, a human capital, which you see a capital expenditure. In the Beya Yen, sir. Na ninya makansa meme nche mu na ponti asiese sa nsise na wo mre ni mu yebetimi edisu na ye na ye mpenyimfo no mintu se ni ha ye o mo se de yo ye na ye mpese ye badua kwa etire pangu sika no eye volatile ne boa e wa mansenja so no e ko so ba fom o ma me ma pato bi 2015 2016 pangu sika e wa mansenja so no e tipi over $100 a barrel at about $29 a barrel that brain mu no sha into the year before the Ghana almost 1 billion from oil revenues. About 200 and something million. 200 and something million. The funny says that bring the PSHS. Nanka buy project to say and nuna or the pan would can equaquaya. No, you're sorry, the chino. Never not take you almost 1 billion, about 200 million. That's what for you know. Hina buy ecophysica and their plug it. Now, for 18 Suku. And they are risky. Indeed, you have to say a buying say. Oh, my dilute to the sources of finding no for pre-SHS. No. Then diversify the crack. Now, farm go components in the emerald form. Farm go components in the back for more. Say a bunny said a one a top of one man change us what and cannot be brave. Nkolande Tinako Suku Manaye ye. Now, ways in which you can diversify sources of funding, no, even the same. The chief of Bekaya, Anthony, best started pre-SHS, no, now Cocoa Board, Eshen School. But at that time, because the last council, there were about 13,000 children across the country who benefited from Cocoa Board scholarship. If you can pay muno, the year say be pre-SHS, no, Nanka Sasike, Cocoa Board, they know my Casada Sike, or the 12 and Kutu. And never come up with free SHS maybe. We share companies are who away your memoha, Talo Oil, Cosmos Oil, and a Darko, GMPC, Fuanca Sadia, and almost no more scholarship maybe. In the end, no more that was one, because you can't already math scholarship no. Then you say that can't buy football instead of a fund for free SHS. No, no. Down to other corporate body, we share MTN. Vodafone na there more foundations are who are the one na there no more transit I can say ebia mo corporate social responsibility budget ye betre mo mumpa ebu kakra embeboa aban project where ye free SHS ni nyina boa disua eje ye de pa gidi se do na beti ase na nka omo so de kakra abeboa mo mayen kai hu se mredi entwe mu no go first and quite me my black star $3 million I say corporate social responsibility omo de boa sport in Ghana. Nti no mo ta for kata o metima boabi na friends no mentia say ye what ye pen Ghana Education Trust Fund e what guaranteed source of revenue 2.5% of VAT na say ka hun kontebu bo na ye bata na e no ho ebo education na say akoti free secretary any omo so omo arrangement e dey boa ye free SHS na say what GES also want a budget, also the education-related activities. They might be more. In harmonizing all these institutions, we have one nomenclature for supporting education in this country. Now, within that nomenclature, which means the departments being here for specialized areas. Now, Nankasikano, Nini Uncle to go back, and the tracking, no, I easy. But we have the answer, now all diversify sources of funding because you are actually harmonizing and bringing other sources that Nanka, Asia, Udi, PSHS, Nebariano, a bit my year one system.
It's the Investment Advisory Committee. She say Monya at Monya Sabidokono, and I told them,
Yamincha, yeah, constituted Investment Advisory Committee after persistent concerns raised by the Public Interest and Accountability Committee. Of its non-existence.
Na yete sa aban the cap eto waye the stabilization fund and so of $300 million.
Yes.
And no to say chirimai.
Nya ye stabilization fund ne juma eye pa ene say Kobani said fan wo bo e wa manten jaso no ekosoro more than say you project here the in susun senke be kosoro no a die ebuso no eye excess no dey da kakoto putuom na de hiada se bo wa mantenjas na eba form since dia na nka yesusu no a na ye ho kire ya ne yakota afotuo no akoyi sika ni bi ne da beso esika so abọman no ho bra. And that is the main purpose of stabilization fund. But essence say on mind we no bosia bo ye dedinti ya pekoti kwan bi so e create the friend sinking fund. You say ye ma minister of finance who kwan say on capital stabilization fund no at any level no pay na excess no over the cap no ye fa go bu the friend sinking fund mo na that sinking fund no enye sinchi dia mayen ye fa go bobosia nti aban go bobosia eno na ya wo ebo ye bosia na ehwe say bia ye wo say scan leader ho a mo mo awe hwemu say betimi tia bosia na ye kobo no nti no efidi into the appetite to borrow na enu nti no amma yakodum pempensu bia so wan hwe na se fam wo buo na top form wa mantenja so a sika dodo a ewo stabilization fund no entimi enso ya for the period of the shortfall no it's an 300 million there say within a bosom in ebeta the company say e buo no top form over a longer period, let's say 3 months 4 months now usika ewo futuo no say only 300 million no be den. How do you cope? And you know, and can papa mu a think a giant stabilization fund they accumulate as much as possible. So the be ya o mind go prolonged phase of price decline in oil prices no more. You bring enough resources to cushion us over a longer period. The Hamadian Crown said the minister no at the cap no to stabilization fund no so a on point to move ya ma na so ben na wugina so ntia o cap no at 150. In fact, maybe a criminal minister not so no a cap no at 150 million. Say you have no case for the Pejemuka 300 million, but it's still not enough. You need to accumulate as much as possible. Anytime you have over the long term, medium to long term, not it's not wow.
Na eno na emra na ma ho kwan se so afọ de backup no on.
You call 2015 when you call Samra no ma minister no sa to me no say obetimi akapo stabilization fund no. But in normally you did say we no kwa e was constitutional backing. Say bianca wo mo a mra ema wo to me to exercise discretion as in this case no. And say wo mo exercise discretion na Omo ba bontin ebe kire DNC a omo exercise discretion in one way or the other. Nti kan pape mu no, minister nya kapo a nanka as part of the presentation of the budget no wa kire say e bia me kapo stabilization fund at $3 million for A, B, C, D reasons. Na ya say reasons no ya dey pass mu a nanka asa ya diatum. But after this, there is an explanation, that's a rationalization. There is Emma.
Enti, Doc, what is the way forward?
I'm going to say, Petroleum Revenue Management Act, still, I've been here. Now, based on the experience of implementing this law over the last 9 years, lessons I have brought in and inform the redrafting of this law. Never appropriate sanctions, especially given our knowledge now of some of the typology of infractions I have caused near the one social assembly. Again, as I say, they associate to institutions of state more powers to investigate and prosecute, to take particular interest in the report of PIAC. Now, based on the findings, I have Ebano, the prosecution, and the imposition of some sanctions. Now, yes, me, I yet not just obedience.
Okay. Now, maybe Sasa IAC, a investment advisory committee, no, would you make the opportunity anything?
I mean, you may important say a year petroleum fund, heritage and stabilization funds. The kind of woman, we move 2 minutes and 4. Kwanya obefaso investment. Na Ghana enya home paso kɛseɛ nti wɔn deɛ wɔn yɛ advisory committee na menkyerɛ mu nso sɛ wɔn advice a wɔn de ma minister no according to nhyehyɛe na ɛwɔ mmara no mu no ɛnyɛ binding
ɔpa na ɔfa
ɛno nso no yɛ na mefu sɛ mu ɔwerɛm kakra ɛba ne sɛ na wate committee wode nimdifoɔ a wɔn nim sikasɛm totoyɛ nimdeɛ pa sikasɛm totoyɛ ho na wote wɔn ntu ministerfo na otu ministerfo nso a minister no ɔpa na ɔfa woyɛ ne saa na sɛ one require in the law say the minister no so reject advice no a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde explanation ɛbɛto da the reason for rejecting the advice na to gya ne saa menya yɛntumi nya arrangement no mfa so papa.
Okay. Dr. Steve Mantia, yɛda se ɛna no pɛyi sɛ wo ne yɛdi nkɔmmɔ na mɛhyɛ da pɛbrɛ na bɛhostu one-on-one na yɛ fɔm ngo sika no yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ yie paa. Why?
Yo, menyam da ase.
Nyankopɔn hyira wo. Yɛne ɛyɛ Dr. Steve Mantia, ɔyɛ chairman of the Public Interest and Accountability Committee. Ɔno ne yɛne di nkɔmmɔ no nti
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.